the other direction, that is people's expectation that their streets will be cleared and so forth. What message do you have for folks?
We are going to do our best with the resources that we have, as we've done in the past, and to get it done. I mean, you know, I wish I were a cat in a hat. I could roll the snow back into the hat and make everything normal again, but it's what it is. It also has to do a lot with what the temperatures are, the melt rate, making sure our snow drains are cleared so that the melt can go down our snow drains. We will assess, we continue to clean up, and then we'll get to a point where we'll be having specific complaints and problems we have to deal with, and we're all ready to go and address those problems. And I think that people's expectations should be that we're going to get back to normal as soon as possible, based on how much snow we get. So yesterday, we were talking about 12 to 16, and now we're talking potentially 20 or more, and I'll harken back to 1996 at 36, 37. It took a little while to get back. Hopefully we won't have that kind of snowfall, but based on all those ranges, that's the case in which we can get it done.
Mayor, in regards to the violators of the snow emergency, when can citizens be expected to be able to get to their cars? And if so, is there a violation of time they can actually get to their car after being towed?
After being towed, they'll be towed, assuming the town line. They'll be relocated. They'll be relocated. So, and there's the, it's 215-686-SNOW to find out where your car will be relocated to. But I mean, if you're living in the city for any length of time, you know what the emergency routes are, you know you shouldn't be parked on Broad Street, you know you shouldn't be parked in certain areas, and we're making this as part of the process of having these updates and these press advisories just to inform people as to what their responsibilities are relative to their cars. Again, the $5 parking lots, the parking authority is allowing after 5 o'clock this evening. You can get your car in one of those lots. I mean, I used to do that all the time. Over at Love Park and park my car there for a couple days. Use the subway, it will be running. So people know what to do. You live in the city, know what to do.
What's the difference between being relocated and being towed?
Good question.
Besides the matter of fine, okay, during a snow emergency, you can relocate your vehicle, possibly down by the stadiums or somewhere